Hey guys, Jason Hayes here with the Teacher's Woodshop, my new YouTube channel. Inviting you to come and like and share my new channel. I'm also on Facebook, Teacher's Woodshop. Woodshop is all one word. What are we going to be doing on this channel? Well, you need to like and subscribe so you can find out. We'll always be doing something different. We're going to turn pins on a lathe. We're going to turn bottle stoppers. We're going to do all kinds of things on a lathe. And we're also going to be building furniture and whatever other types of projects that I can come up with around the house. So stick around, like and subscribe, and we'll make cool things like this pen, this wooden pen, and this awesome dresser that I made the other day as well. So stick around. I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned. Lots of cool things to come.